This was an excellent assembly. This is the second time we've done this. We did the Born to Shine last year, so this was a nice natural follow-up. And it really touches on the SEL, the social emotional learning that we're trying to bring into our classrooms. So the hearing, the actual assembly, gave a lot of good um, ideas, sticky note Tuesdays and things like that for teachers and students to enact in their classroom. And then they did that. And then this reflective piece that we just finished was phenomenal. It was basically a giant circle talk between our elementary schools with our grade level span. So our fourth and fifth graders at one elementary got to speak and be heard at our other elementary schools, and they got to speak at the others and all hear each other speak and give examples of how they showed empathy, of how they showed kindness, how they showed love to one another. And not just their stories, but the follow ups and the nods behind the person talking was just as amazing as the stories themselves. And I just really couldn't say how beneficial, how much more beneficial this could be for a district to do. Because not only is it giving the students the voice in that one time, but it's really giving the teachers and the staff the tools to continue these conversations and to show that this is a very simple thing that we could do daily, weekly in our classes to help kids unload any baggage they may have, or to give examples of how they can be kind and show empathy to one another, and just spread that kindness and those positive messages throughout. And ultimately, helping us build better classrooms with better cultures and better learning.
Dr. Kostopoulos, thank you so much.